Typically, entrepreneurs are the ones that see things that nobody else sees. They see the opportunities, they understand the big picture, and they've got to constantly paint the big picture. How do we get everybody aligned with where the organization is going? You've got to know where you're at today. It's the first step. You can't decide where you're going to go until you know where you're at. It starts with core purpose and core values. Core values should never change. This is typically where most entrepreneurs fall down at a certain point. It's called ADOS, Attention Deficit O Squirrel. It's a great idea for all human beings to sit down at the beginning of the day and make a list of the top priorities for them for the day. What are all the weak words that we hear when people are writing priorities? I want a better sales team. What the hell does better mean? It's not definable. We talk about weak words all the time, and as the leaders of your organization, start listening for those. When people write priorities and tasks, make sure there's an action and there's an outcome.